All right, this is take two in case my first video doesn't work. I have an old Sony system that I bought in Japan. Wanted to try that out, so if it doesn't work, this will be the video I use. Anyway, this is our 2000 Holiday Rambler. Has the 5.9 diesel, only 285 horsepower, I believe, but works great. Has the one super slide, so only one slide to break. This is the paint we replaced. So this all used to be a maroon color, flaky, peely, and so I used a 4-inch roller and rolled out a couple layers of this Rust-Oleum smoke gray oil-based enamel. We'll continue to make our way around the back. Thankfully, no damage to the body, other than the front, and that is in a previous video. There was it looked like somebody ran into a parking pole on the bottom driver's side. But here's the original color, this fantastic maroon. You know, it would have been okay, but it was, like I said, flaky and peely and disgusting. The only thing mechanically I've done is add this little reservoir, and you can tell it's already working. It's sucked down all the coolant. I need to add more. And that's because the first time I drove this, I did not have that tank, and I lost probably a gallon. But it's not overheating, it just, I believe was overfilled and peaked its guts. The awning is still the original maroon, so I will not bring that down. Does it clash? A little bit. It's not too bad. Make our way back inside. So starting with the steps, you may or may not have noticed this is a fine tweed of Sam's Club doormat. Cut it to size and bolted it in. But the steps won't come out right now because I do not have the batteries on for the truck. All right, so up here, use some vinyl paint. Match this other stuff pretty good. So again, we just use a roll-on paint here. We ended up taking these out, spraying them down with a vinyl paint specifically for upholstery. Available at your fine establishments. We chose AutoZone in particular because that's what we have here in Ridgecrest, California. All right, the rest of the rig is here. Replace the couch because the original couch was disgusting. And this is a pull-out couch, so it'll sleep 4, plus however many sleeping bags we want to lay out. This is another PJ Martin install. Got the TV mount there. Hangs down. I will probably remove the TV while we travel because it tends to shake while driving. So better safe than sorry. The cabinets, as you may see from previous photos, was originally, well, it was pretty close to the color of the floor. But then Becky painted them blue, almost like a blue-gray, and then changed her mind and changed them to white, which is fine. You know, she is great at painting cabinets. Painted the trim up here, same color, so we have the whole feng shui thing happening. Move our way back here. Double freezer fridge, double RV size, not really double home size. This is a vinyl covering on this countertop. May replace that. I don't know how resilient that will be, but we'll try it out. The shower used to be a gold. You can kind of get a hint of it here, but we are painting that because this fell out of style about 15 years ago. Back here, Becky put her finishing touches on the bed and the cupboards. So looks great. Underneath is the access to the diesel. It's about the only way you can get to it. It's not, I mean, you can literally get underneath and stand. It's not that big of a deal, but some things you need to get access to from the top. So we replaced all the light fixtures with these guys. Everything available on Amazon. All these lights were replaced, along with the floors everywhere. Took out the old crapper, put a new one in to cover up that glory hole. And, you know, she's a work in progress still. The airbags, I think, need to be replaced, so that will be a future video. We have not taken it on a maiden voyage yet, so that will probably be another video that will soon follow. So, stay tuned. Like, subscribe, share. Pop's Car Shop.